We need one huge favor. Can you please take one knee? If you can't get up, don't get down. Make some noise.
Before we take the jump, give the sexy guys a round of applause. Right guy in the back, we're sorry. Did you just slap his ass? Hello, where are you from? She says no, she didn't. She didn't say that. You know what? You are number 2. Nothing to worry about. He's gay. This your one.
Did you like what you see? Step 1, over the kid. Step 2, over the guys. Guys, good luck, especially you. You're tall as shit, bro. You might not make it, sir. But guys on the line, we need one huge favor. Can you please take one knee? If you can't get up, don't get down. Thank you. Head down, white chocolate, head down. Hey kid, head down. He's going over. If you like what you see, make some noise. Decide to step up. Step up, guys, step up.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we take the jump, give the sexy guys a round of applause. What the hell was that? That wasn't good enough. This could have been you guys out here. Yeah. Give the sexy volunteers a round of applause. Much better? All right, keep your head straight. Keep your arms to the side. And you, close your legs. It's not that kind of show. Yes, sir. Close your legs. To the kid in the front. To the kid in the front. To the white guy in the back. We're sorry. Did you just slap his ass? He got new ass? Recommendations? Now, fellas, before we take this jump, this is still too easy. Something is missing. Every show, without at least one Asian guy. We need one sexy Asian guy.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Are you Asian? Oh, hello. Hello. Where are you from? Philippines. Make some noise for the Philippines. Okay. Welcome to the party. You are number 2. Keep your head straight. Keep your arms to the side. And give me your bag. You can trust me, I'm from the Bronx. Go. We don't do that anymore. We call that one, welcome to New York, never give a black guy your bags. This guy's crazy. It's an easy robbery. All right, say, one more thing is still missing. You need to find a diva. America's Next Top Model, somebody's wife. Make sure she's hot. Your favorite song. Make sure she's beautiful. Make some noise for that diva! No. I said make some noise for that diva! Hey! Where you going? No! We said put her on the line, I'd have a good time. She said no, she didn't. She didn't say that. You know what? You are number 2 behind the kid. Let's speed this up, fellas. Hey, sweetie, what's your name? Trisha, from where? From where? England. We have one more question for you.
Simple answer, yes or no.
Do you like black guys? Hey, how you doing, man? What's going on? Welcome to the party. I see her second. All right, we're not gonna make any more jokes. Let me tell you people what's about to happen. There's gonna be a black guy running real fast with no police behind him. Then he's going to attempt to flip over. Volunteers, squeeze together. Tighten up, tighten up. We call this male bonding. Squeeze together, guys. Whoa, bro, he's in there. Wait, hold on, sir. Why are you so happy? You like that? The squeeze together, yeah? Very good. Very good. He's good. Very good. He's Asian guy. Whoa! Asian guy, what the hell are you doing? Sir, not that close. What? It's a freak. You know what? Turn around, Asian guy. How do you like that? Yeah, it's okay. We call that welcome to America. Asian guy, go to the back of the line. We don't trust you. And turn around. He doesn't trust you either. And you can take a step back. You have nothing to worry about. He's gay. This your wife? Switch places. Yes? Okay. Nobody move. Now before we take the jump, you guys must know, we've been performing for 10 years. Make some noise. Thank you. And we know what you guys are thinking. Why are these talented guys out here? Could it be for money?
Oh yeah.
Yes. Because we know that as soon as we take the jump, everybody's going to walk away and leave. Because this is a so-called street show. We didn't leave when you guys got here. So if you're going to leave. Now guys, keep in mind, an average donation to a jump like this is usually $20.
$20.
If you don't have $20.
Give us 2
If you don't have 2 tens. Keep in mind, the more you pay, the safer they are. Especially you, Asian guy. Good luck.
Baba, can you get this one, please? What you did? About damn time. From where? Make some noise! Thank you, New Zealand. Thank you, thank you.
Stop the show. I got 20 bucks. All the way from this little girl from New Jersey. Make some noise.
Thank you, Jersey. Thank you, thank you. If you like what you see, make some noise! Everybody stand up. Everybody hold hands. Keep in mind, there's only one race in this world today. And that's the human race, ladies and gentlemen. That's our show. Thank you and God bless, guys. Thank you, thank you. Yes, ladies, we are all single and ready to mingle. Moreno, bueno, anyone? Moreno, no?